Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Booster. Today we are going to do a question of CSIR 2014 December, and this question was asked in part C, and this is question which is similar to the question which we have done in last video. And in the solution of this type of question we are going to learn how to find solution of our ordinary differential equation when there is a case of failure in its PI. So let us start the question. Question is like this, and two conditions are given, that is y0 is equals to 0 and y dash 0 is equals to 0. Okay. When you will observe this four option, every option is containing its solution, that is y. Means this is necessary to find the solution of this equation. For finding its solution, what we have to do, we have to find CF and PI, and then we have to add this. For complete solution we are going to add both of these, means we are going to add CF plus PI. So let us start the question. This equation can be represented as d square minus 1 y equal e to the power minus x. Okay. For CF, m square 1 0 m plus 1 m minus 1, means m is equals to minus 1 and m equals to 1. And if there are roots which are real and unequal, then how the CF can be written is like this. CF is equals to C1 e to the power lambda 1x plus C2 e to the power lambda 2x, and here lambda 1 and lambda 2 are minus 1 and 1. So CF will be equals to C1 e to the power x plus C2 e to the power lambda minus x. Okay. Now we are going to find PI. For finding PI, what we have to do, if the equation, if this differential equation is homogeneous, means in right hand side there is 0, then there is no need to find out PI. But here e to the power minus x is given, so we are going to find out PI. For finding PI, you have to write right hand side in numerator like this, and this term in denominator like this. Okay. Now next step, what you have to do, you have to put this coefficient of this x at the place of d, means e to the power minus x minus 1 ka square, and this will give you 1 minus 1. And in the denominator we are getting 0. It means this is case of failure, and in the case of failure what we have to do, we have to differentiate denominator and multiply numerator with the x, with the term x. So then term will become like this. Okay. Now again you have to put coefficient of x, that is minus 1 at the place of d, then the term will become 2. Okay. Now complete solution will be equals to yx is equals to CF plus PI, and CF क्या आया था आपका, C1 e की पावर x, C2 e की पावर माइनस x प्लस PI, आपका PI क्या है, that is this one. Okay. Here you can see there are two constants, so we have to find the value of this constant with the help of these two conditions which is given in question. So for finding value of constant, we are going to use both of these conditions. First condition is equals to y0 is equals to 0. This means C1 e to the power 0, C2 e to the power 0, and this term will become 0, x equals to, because we are putting x equals to 0, so this term will become 0. Now what we will get, c1 plus c2 is equals to 0. This is your first equation, and from here we conclude that c1 is equals to minus of c2. Okay, now we are going to use second equation, that is y dash 0 is equals to 0. For this, first we have to find out differentiation of this y, means solution. So y dash x is equals to c1 e की power x minus c2 e की power minus x, and in this term we are going to apply product rule, and after applying product rule, what we will get, minus x upon my 2 e to the power minus x upon my 2, and this will give you y dash x is c1 e to the power x, c2 e to the power minus x, and plus upon my 2 and this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to put x equals to 0 in this term. Okay, then y dash 0 is c1 e to the power 0, c2 e to the power 0, and this term will become 0. Okay, minus e to the power 0 upon 2, means what you will get, c1 minus c2 minus half, and this will become c1 minus c2 is equals to 1 by 2, means this is your second equation, this is your first equation. Using first and second equation, we have to find c1 and c2. So first equation is equals to c1 plus c2 is equals to 0, and second equation is equals to c1 minus c2 is equals to 0. This will cancel out, and 2c1 is equals to 1 by 2, and c1 is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, now conclusion of the first equation is c1 is equals to minus of c2, and what is c1? That is 1 by 4, means c2 is equals to minus 1 by 4. Okay, so we are having the value of c1 and c2. Using this value in the solution, we get complete solution. Yx means solution will be equals to 1 by 4 e to the power x, and minus 1 by 4 e to the power minus x, and x e to the power minus x upon 2. Okay, this is your solution. Now let us come on the options. So what is third and fourth option is saying? Third option is saying that if we multiply yx, means solution that we have find out, we are having with the solution. So if we multiply e to the power minus x with this solution, and then limit extends to infinity, this will give you 1 by 4. Similarly, fourth option is saying that if we multiply this solution with the e to the power x, then it will give you 1 by 4. So let us check one by one the solution third and the option third and the option fourth. So solution option third is, but we have to multiply e to the power minus x with the solution, and solution is yx equals to 1 by 4 e to the power x minus 1 by 4 e to the power minus x minus x e to the power minus x upon 2. So what we have to do, according to third option, we have to multiply this term, this solution with the term e to the power minus x. So what we will get, 1 by 4 e to the power minus x e to the power minus x e to the power minus x, and this will give you this. Okay, so now what we will get, e to the power 0 upon 4, 1 by 4 e to the power minus 2x, and here e to the power minus 2x upon में 2. Okay, and this will become 1 by 4, and this sum can be written as 1 by 4 e to the power e to the power 2x, and this sum can also be written as 2 e to the power 2x. When we tend limit x approaches to infinity, in this term, this will give you 1 by 4, because 1 by 4 and it will give you 1 by e to the power infinity. Similarly, here we will get e to the power infinity in denominator, means this will become infinity, and this term will become also 1 by infinity, and 1 by infinity is equals to 0, 1 by infinity is equals to 0. Only the term will remain, that is 1 by 4, means your third option is correct. Okay, similarly we have to check fourth option. We have to multiply the term with e to the power x by x. But we have to find out this. Okay, e to the power x, when we multiply e to the power x in this solution, that is yx, so what we will get, 1 by 4 e to the power x, e to the power x, and e to the power x. This term will become like this. Okay, and this will give you e to the power 2x and 1 by 4 and x upon में 2. ठीक है, when we tend limit x approaches to infinity in this term, this will give you infinity and not giving 1 by 4. So the fourth option is incorrect option. Now let us move on. Second option, y is bounded on R. Second option is saying that y is bounded on R, and you know that if a solution is having the term of exponential, the solution will never be bounded. If we are talking about a particular interval, then we can say that it is bounded, but for whole R, means real line, it will never be bounded. Okay, so your second option is also incorrect option. Let us move on. First option. What is first option saying? Y attain its minimum on R. Okay, for maximum and minimum, what we have to do, we have to find out double derivative. But here we are going to use the equation which is given in question. So question is like this. Okay, and we had find out value of y. So d square y dx square e to the power minus x plus y. Okay, and what is the value of y? Value of y is d square y dx square e to the power minus x, and value of y is 1 by 4 e to the power x, 1 by 4 e to the power minus x, and here e to the power minus x upon में 2. Okay, this is the double derivative. Okay, now from the question, in the question two conditions are given, that is y0 is equals to 0, y dash 0 is equals to 0. From here we conclude that 0 is its critical point. So we are going to put 0 in double dash. Okay, after putting 0 in double dash, what we will get? To the power 0, 1 by 4 e to the power 0, 1 by 4 e to the power 0, and this will give you 0. Okay, 0, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, this will cancel out. What will remain? That is equals to 1, and this is positive. This one is positive. If it will negative, then it will give you maximum, but it is positive, then it means it is giving you minimum. and option is saying the same thing, therefore this option is also correct. Okay, means आपका first and third options are correct one and other are incorrect option. So this is question of CSIR 9 2014. Meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.